So, andito tayo ngayon sa Mireya Residences in Pasig City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 58 square meters, 2 bedrooms. So, pagpasok nyo, bedroom 1, and then yung kitchen niya, tabi ng main door. Then meron tayong very spacious bathroom, and then second bedroom. This unit comes with a parking space, and then living and dining area, then our balcony, facing amenity area. So from your balcony, you can enjoy the view of the entire amenity area. A swimming pool, clubhouse, parks and playground, and maluwag din po yung balcony nyo. Very spacious din. Yan. So napakaganda ng view niya from your balcony. Again, facing amenities. So yan din yung isa sa mga binibili natin dito sa unit, yung view niya. And this is available in cash, or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer or bid, please message us directly. As you can see, medyo maayos pa naman yung unit. Kailangan lang ng konting linis and then repairs. But overall, this is a still sale because this unit again comes with a parking space. And of course, ito talaga ang binabayaran nyo dyan, yung view niya. Diba? Napakaganda. Facing amenity area. This condominium project is along Amang Rodriguez Avenue. Malapit po tayo sa Bridgetown, Opus Mall, and Eastwood City. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Yung pinaka-clubhouse niya, amenities. Then may parks and playground din tayo dito. Wala yung Bespera.